Good movement throughout?
Mm-hmm.
How far down?
And I think it went up to the sacrum indeed.
Good.
Yeah.
Felt a lot of movement in your neck?
I did.
Good. That's where the main part
Yep.
was you came for, right? Was the cervical spine just really stiff.
It was.
Good. You felt all the way down to there?
I did.
Perfect.
I felt.
Good job.
Down to the sacrum, yeah.
Good job. See, not too bad, right?
No, it was not.
That's probably what you wanted and what you drove from Jacksonville
Yes,
for,
it
right?
was. It was indeed.
Well,
I think this will open up the space for me to go back to yoga.
Yeah,
I couldn't
I
do
think it will
yoga.
too. Yeah.
That's how stiff I was. I could
Yeah.
feel it.
That's
Okay.
good.
Thank
Good
you.
movement. You're so welcome.